Good morning everyone and welcome back to Red Clean. It's another busy week here. It's a Monday morning, we're down in Gerrards Cross. We're doing another roof here. We're doing a steam and treat job on the lovely house just behind me. You can see here, they started on the front today, the boys. Today we have got Paul, we've got Harry and we have got Craig. Could you ask for 3 better lads? Probably, but you know, this is what we got to deal with. Now, of course, Harry, Paul and Craig are our dream team, our A team on the roofs. And so yeah, what the steam job will offer is it will offer you and the client that instant result. And you still do get that with the scrape and treat. However, this is a lot more instantaneous. We're making your tiles look brand new from the moment we leave here, which is opposed to the scrape and treat, which takes up to 18 months for it to get to that sort of stage. But they both offer the same thing. The steam is just a bit of a quicker, you know, more instantaneous result. Of course, what we do after on both of those, after we've scraped it or after we've steamed the roof, is we apply our chemical, the biocide. We apply this straight onto the roof after we've scraped or steamed it. And essentially, because the tiles are a porous surface, they absorb the chemical, and in doing so, it allows the chemical to attack anything that's grown on the roof, really, any sort of moss that you'll find predominantly on there, any algae, any lichen. The lichen can often take the longest as it's the most stubborn. And so yeah, with both those options, with the scrape and the steam, you know, we're applying that treatment still, and what that treatment is going to do is going to work. It's going to work over time through the weather cycles. It's going to re-engage with the tiles and keep them moss free, keep them, you know, looking healthy and fresh and new. And we offer up to a 4-year guarantee on that. We guarantee that there will be no moss returning within those 4 years. And so yeah, hopefully you'll see from the results just that instant wow factor that the steam can offer and will provide. It's a great option, I think, for many people to take if you do want that instantaneous result. So yeah, please enjoy the video. I'll probably touch back in at some point as we're cleaning. We're actually also doing the driveway. We're giving that a wash as well. And we clear the gutters out as we do this job, because we don't want to leave the moss hanging in and cleaning up the surrounding area. Well, of course we do that, we always do that, we always clean up after ourselves. You know, we're professional, we're polite, well, I'd like to think we're polite and professional. Please, you know, please do give us a like, a comment and subscribe if you're interested in this sort of thing. Please do get in contact if you think it's something you could benefit from, and let us know what you think of the results. Thank you very much. Alright, so we're back on location today, and as you can hear behind me, the boys are still hard at work. It is now a Thursday. The boys have been here 4 days, and they've been cracking on, and you can see from the footage that they've made good progress on the house. The front has almost all been cleaned, steamed. And you can tell already the difference of the roof, the colour of the roof. The nice red tiles are coming out, popping in. But yeah, today we have actually got Aaron with us. We've substituted Paul out. Paul's elsewhere. I think he's doing some gutters today. But yeah, Aaron's getting involved. You might see a bit more of him on the roofs actually. I think he's been smashing it out. But yeah, the boys are doing good. You can see from the footage. Yet to apply the biocide. We will of course do that at the end of the clean when the roof is all scrubbed clear and free of moss.
Where's the end? Around here. Oh, put it towards you. It's so pure.
So, hey, what's going on? You ran out of water?
Yeah. It's Alan's fault.
Oh.
Filled it up. You want to share with your husband? Share my husband. I'll tell you a new one in a minute, mate.
He's a work wife.
Who's the work wife?
Aaron.
Who's him?
Aaron's the work wife.
Aaron.
Harry, the only thing is he's the wife. Like a bitch.
I mean, Craig is a bit, I mean, he wears wigs, don't he, so...
How many red cleaning employees does it take to move a bit of metal?
One. That'll be you in a minute.
Aaron. Yeah. We'll come round, get this top it up here done.
Part of the team, aren't you?
I am indeed. Depending on what day it is. The roof is almost done, just getting off the last of the dirt on the roof. The biocide is being applied as we speak. We've got Martin in today with us, joining the team. And you can see behind me, to be fair, they made great progress on the roof. Lovely and red. Might be difficult to see on here, but you'll see on the other footage. We've got Martin on the driveway, giving that a good wash. Power washing that down. You can see already it's looking lovely. You wouldn't think it was a red roof underneath that when we first got here. And yeah, it just adds a bit more glamour to this already lovely looking house. Not only that, it has health benefits for your roof. You don't want to get damaged roofs, because if you leave that, you'll end up with sort of leakages and wiring problems, and suddenly you're dealing with one of the plug sockets is damaged, the wiring's damaged, the roof's leaking, especially in the winter. Getting it done now is a good idea in my opinion. Get that sorted and ready for the winter. And yeah, they've got the 4-year guarantee on it with a biocide. So the roof will be staying lovely and redding, moss free for up to 4 years. And that we do guarantee. Good on them poles, mate.
Huh?
Good on them poles. We'll get through it.
My boyfriend says the same thing. Right, at least you're meeting the wifey. Oh, Harry.
I won't fucking fall into that one again.
Come on.
Nick, I'll take the shovel.
Yeah, you finish off. I've got things to do.
Your bed.
And yeah, the roof's come up, you know, absolutely lovely, as it does with the steam. You know, instant result is magnificent. You always see a stark difference between the before and the afters. You know, a lot of times you wouldn't consider or know that the roofs were indeed red underneath a lot of these tiles. And that's what you see here, the red healthy tile of this gorgeous property. And yeah, that should stay that way for the remainder of the year and for the next 4 years, in fact, as I mentioned earlier. But yeah, that's it really for us today. I mean, if you're liking what you're seeing here and you think the boys have done a good job, and you think this is perhaps something you would be interested in, please do get in contact. Let us know in the comments below what you think of what we've done here today, and yeah, give us a like and subscribe to see what we do next. Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank fucking done.